Have you ever wondered how far one would go to save not just one life, but an entire galaxy? Welcome to another remarkable journey in the adventures of Galactic Jesus. Today's story is unlike anything you've seen before. Buckle up for an epic narrative we're calling the Starborn Ascension. We begin in the Marvindar sector, an edge of the galaxy known for its treacherous space anomalies and volatile politics. The story sets its pace aboard the stellar frigate, Spiritus, the flagship operated by Commander Jesus and his team. Today, they face their most harrowing mission yet, an interplanetary crisis brewing among the planets Ortavia and Aethon. These two civilizations, long fraught with ancient rivalry, are now on the brink of annihilation. The Galactic Dominion intends to exploit this conflict, turning it into a spectacle of tyranny. Commander Jesus and his stellar crew assemble. Zara, her twin plasma blades glowing with a restless eagerness for the battles ahead. Lux, fidgeting with energy converters, readying to deploy his brilliant tech-based plan. And Elysia, whose serene alien demeanor hides her fervent hope for reconciliation. As they converge in the Spiritus's command deck, each brings their unique strength, their vital role. Their challenge, a rogue artifact stolen from Ortavia's sacred archives, only to end up in the clutches of the Galactic Dominion. This relic, known as the Nexus Shard, contains not just immense power, but a living archive of both civilizations' history. If manipulated improperly, it could obliterate both planets. Imagine losing not just your home, but every song, story, and memory that built your culture. Jesus makes one decision. They must recover the Nexus Shard. As they navigate hyperlanes riddled with Dominion patrols, their craft encounters the flagship of the Dominion fleet, Heliophage, as intimidating in firepower as in name. This behemoth has declared its course toward introducing chaos and destruction. But Commander Jesus is undeterred. Peace cannot be conquered, it must be chosen, he says. A statement that fuels his small but determined team. Elysia suggests an innovative and risky strategy. Stage a diversion by feigning distress to lure Heliophage's fleet into a spatial rift, at least temporarily immobilizing them. Lux, whose mind is a multi-dimensional puzzle of calculations, develops an advanced cloaking shimmer on the Spiritus, one capable of outmaneuvering even the Dominion's sensors. Zara, always the heartbeat of action, trains the crew on evasive combat strategy and says confidently, "Just tell me who to fight." The diversion works, though not without tension. The Spiritus plunges into Ortavia's atmosphere to secure the Nexus Shard before it is exploited by the Dominion's ground forces. As they touch down amidst vibrant copper-like forests endemic to the planet's biosphere, there's an unforeseen complication. The Nexus Shard acts as an amplifier, reflecting intense energy waves that are both shielding it from retrieval and harming Ortavia's ecosystem as side effects. It's here that Commander Jesus shows his true, extraordinary powers. In a scene that will leave you breathless, he calmly walks toward the epicenter of the Nexus Shard's tempest. Lightning-like energies dance around him, but they do no harm. He speaks softly to the shard, placing his hand tenderly on its surface. Slowly but surely, the storm subsides, replaced by an ethereal warmth that spans miles. It's a miracle and a lesson. Harmony can calm even the fiercest of disruptions. But there's no rest. Heliophage descends on Ortavia. The Spiritus's crew has to contend with both evacuation of civilians and direct combat with Dominion forces. Zara leads an astounding defense maneuver, guarding the makeshift deflector shield, Lux, configured from Ortavian metals. Elysia's diplomacy saves hundreds as she coordinates resource sharing among rival tribes. The scene is a heart-pounding balance between chaos and unlikely cooperation. Faced with this all-out assault, Jesus has another choice, a moral one. With the shard now safely aboard Spiritus, the team could flee. But instead, Commander Jesus sacrifices the shard's power by dispersing its latent energy across the entire planet, stabilizing its biosphere and rendering the artifact useless to the Dominion. His rationale? A relic means nothing if no lives are left to protect it. It's another reminder that true leadership values people over power. Ultimately, Ortavia survives. The once bitter tribes come together, united in gratitude for the Spiritus' intervention. The crew feels the satisfaction of victory tempered by their own exhaustion. Yet, as they soar away, we hear Jesus speak. The mission is far from over. The stars are vast, but so is hope. In this captivating episode, we learn that hope doesn't just visit us when it's convenient. It requires deliberate effort, courage, and yes, sacrifice. Commander Jesus, our interstellar shepherd, continues to blaze trails across star systems, illuminating the cosmos not with domination, but with compassion. Do you see now? It's not about who has the most powerful weapon. It's about who carries the most steadfast resolve for peace. Subscribe for more episodes of the adventures of Galactic Jesus. Spread the message. Spread the hope across your galaxies, whether they reside among the stars or here, close to home. Thanks for watching, and may the Architect guide you in your daily journeys. Until next time, fellow explorers of hope.